Hi guys, you are welcome once again. Today we want to find the value of x and y, given that you have x plus y equals 6, then x multiplied by y equals 6. So guys, let's have it to be solution. Now from here, we have x plus y to be equal 6. We have this as equation 1. Then we have x, y to be equals 6. We have it to be equal 2. Now from here we can have our y to be equals 6 minus x. This as equation 3. Now when you substitute this one here, so this implies that we can have x into 6 minus x to be equals 6. And by opening the bracket, we have here to be 6. X times 6 will give us 6x. X times x will be x squared, but we have plus multiplied by minus. S times x, we have it to be x squared to be equals 6. Now let us rearrange the expression by taking all this one to this side. So this implies that we have x squared minus 6x plus 6 to be equal 0. And mind you that this is a quadratic, and to solve this type of quadratic, we have to use quadratic formula. But compare this with when you have ax squared plus bs plus c equals 0. This is a quadratic general expression. Now the coefficient of x squared here is a. The coefficient of x squared here is what? A equals 1. Now the coefficient of x here is b, and the coefficient of x here is minus 6. So we have b to be equals minus 6. The constant value here is c. The constant value here is 6. So we have our c to be equals 6. Now by recalling from the formula where we have s to be equals minus b, then positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac, then all divided by 2a. Now from here we can see that when a equals, we can now have our x to be as b minus b here will now be minus into minus 6, positive or negative, square root of minus 6 all square minus 4, then multiply by our a is 1, then our c is 6. So then all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Our a here is equals 1. So now from here guys, we have our x to be equals, minus times minus will be plus 6, then positive or negative, square root of 6 squared is 36. This minus times plus will be minus. 4 times 6 will be 24. Then all divided by 2. So from here we have our x to be equals 6, positive or negative. 36 minus 24 will give us 12 divided by 2. And we can easily have this as 6, positive or negative. We can have 12 as 4 times 3 divided by 2. So from here guys, we have our s to be equals 6, positive or negative, root 4 multiplied by root 3 divided by 2. And this will give us 6, positive or negative, root 4 is 2, then root 3 divided by 2. So we have our s to be equals 6 divided by 2, positive or negative, 2 root 3 divided by 2. So we have our s to be equals 2 here, 1, 2 in this we have 3, positive or negative, root 3. So therefore we can easily have our s1 to be equals 3 plus root 3 when you pick plus, and 2. We have our s2 to be equals 3 minus root 3. Now let us now recall from where we have our y to be equals 6 minus x. So for this will be y1, this one will be x1. Y equals 6 minus x. This will be y2, this will be x2. So from here we have y1 to be equals 6 minus into bracket of 3 plus root 3. We have y1 to be equals 6. By opening the bracket, you have minus 3 minus root 3. So therefore we have our y1 to be equals this, and this will be 3 minus root 3. So likewise for this, so we can now have s1 comma y1 to be equals our x1 equals this 3 plus root 3, then our y1 equals this 3 minus root 3. So likewise from here, our y2 will be 6 minus into bracket of 3 minus root 3. So we have our y2 to be equals 6, then this one will now be minus 3 plus root 3. And so therefore we have y2 to be equals 3 plus root 3. So therefore our x2 comma y2, our s2, this equals this. So we have three minus root 3, comma, y2 equals 3 plus root 3. And that is the final answer for the value of x and y. So now to check, so we have x plus y to give us 6 and sy to give us 6. Let us test for this. We have 3 plus root 3, then plus 3 minus root 3 is going to give us 6. This can cancel this. You have 3 plus 3 equals 6. And likewise, this will be 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3, then it's going to give us 6. So from here, this time this will be 9, This times this will give us 3 minus root 3. This times this will be 3 plus root 3. This times this will give us minus 3. Then it's going to give us 6. This and this will cancel. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So this is also true for the value of x. Bye bye.